Do you put your stuff in the magazine, sir? I don't know. What is it?
Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to talk about the importance of getting beyond the judgments that we have of people when we're out on the street shooting. This is a way in, guys, the camera. The camera is a way in. So guys, in this video, I'm over in Notting Hill Gate, Portobello Road. I was on a work shoot, shooting a musician, Misa, but I did have the GoPro with me, managed to get some street shots, some street portraits. And please bear with the audio. It's a little bit hit and miss. I didn't have a mic with me, just the GoPro, but I do think this video is going to be of value.
Hold up. Can I get your picture?
What, with the 8-pack? Which one you want?
As you are, as you are. Hold up. Now, you got to look in the camera. Legend.
I've got 8-pack, yo.
No, I don't want that.
I know, because I need it. No, I don't want to see that shit. Hey, how much I get for that photograph?
Huh?
Do I get paid for something to mud me, right?
You'll get 10% of the royalties if I earn anything from it.
Okay. Well, as they would say in Spanish, hasta mañana. Comprende.
Cheers, man.
¿Me entiendes? Right hand, dog.
Michael's great, isn't he? You know, it's our judgments when we're out on the street. It's like making our mind up about people and what's going on that keeps us in a box. It stops us from digging deep. Most street photographs are taken by people who we're kind of just skimming the surface. I know it sounds like a judgment in itself, a criticism, but it's not meant to be. It's an observation.
Come on in, I'll get another shot of you. Yeah, look it, come here and I've got to get close though.
Do you put your stuff in the magazine, sir? I don't know. What is it?
Nah, just on my my own personal Instagram.
You know, most of the photographs that I've taken that mean the most to me are my own work. They're taken when I've kind of let my guard down, when I've brought awareness to the table. So I'm aware of the judgments that I'm having. I'm aware of my apprehension to approach someone, but I've overridden it. It takes having an awareness, because otherwise our mind's made up. We're having these judgments and we're not even aware of them. We're on autopilot.
Okay.
Let's do.
I mean, are you often around here?
Yeah, occasionally, not as much recently.
I mean, but I don't know how big you are, like, you know, by the grace of God, last week we can arrange, bundle up and go.
Yeah, I'll look you up, mate.
Yeah, give me a shout. Not only so you can give me a shout. Say, Michael, are you busy? Do you want to do a couple photo shoots? Yeah, I'm available, like that.
All right, stand here where I am,
Yeah.
and then I'll do a test photo, but face this way.
Yeah.
And then, hold up. Oh shit, it's my fault, sorry. Right, eyes to the camera. Look this way. No, turn your head that way. No, this way. And then just bring your eyes back to the camera. That's it. Eyes. Man, that is awesome, man. Do you want, have you got a phone number?
She said, no, Michael, you disrupt the fucking flavors. No, Michael.
Michael, mate. Cheers, fella.
So maybe I come across a person on the street that I want to approach, and they just, you know how it is, they come across perhaps as a little bit challenged, they're on the balls of their feet, or maybe a little bit highly strung. Sometimes this may be the case. Quite often, most often, it isn't, in my experience. Do you know, it's occurred to me that some people, you know, people are up against it a little bit when we're out on the street, and we do run into them. It's struggling in life, perhaps. It's like they've put a wall up around themselves, that unconsciously, as a kind of a barrier. It's their defense mechanism. So much so that people that they run into on a day-to-day basis, like us, we don't want to get close to them. But it's a two-way thing. They've put the defence barrier up, but we facilitate that by not being willing to take a little bit of a risk in connecting with them. Surely, as photographers with this is a way in, guys, the camera. The camera is a way in. So my purpose as a street photographer anyway, is to fly under the radar, to get in under the radar, to find a way in. You know, underneath, it's like we're all the same. We all feel a little bit different. We all feel a little bit apart from what's going on. But because of that feeling of being separate, in my experience of doing workshops for the last sort of 13 years, it's that feeling of being separate that makes us the same. We all want to be part of something, even if it's just for a moment. It's a big part of what street photography is about for me. Being willing to risk it and make a connection. You're going to see, if you practice this, if you're willing, you're going to see how beautiful people are underneath their act, the barriers that they put up. This isn't about not having judgments either. I'm not sure that's possible. It's about noticing we're having those judgments and being willing to work towards overriding them. Here and there, when we're out on the street with this thing. You know, there are people out there, well, I've been shooting street photography for a long time, and there are people out there that I run into all of the time, and I would hazard a guess that they go about their day pretty much, most of the time, unnoticed. I understand sometimes it comes across with the drama, and it's almost like they're waving a flag to be noticed. They don't know, they get it wrong. Perhaps all they want is a little bit of a chat. If you get in close, you look these guys in the eye and treat them like you would anybody else, you're gonna be surprised, I tell you. You'll be surprised at what transpires. Guys, please subscribe to the channel. If you're getting value from these videos, what would really be a real gift for me doing this channel, you share it with a few people. If you think it's of value. If not, c'est la vie. That's it, isn't it? See you on the next video. Cheers, guys. Bye.
Oh wow, Andy, pleased to meet you, man. Thank you, fella. Just here, yeah?
Okay, do you want my glasses? No glasses?
Just come in here first and we'll see. I'll send you it. I'll shoot with this lens actually.